A lot of analysis you do might relate to dates and times. For instance, finding the average number of sales over a given period, selecting a list of products to data mine if they were purchased in a given period, or trying to find the period with the most activity in online discussion forum systems. In this course, we're not going to delve too deeply into time series analyses, but I wanted to show you some of the basics in Python. First, you should be aware that date and times can be stored in many different ways. One of the most common legacy methods for storing the date and time in online transaction systems is based on the offset from the epoch, which is January 1st in 1970. There's a lot of historical cruft around this, but it's not uncommon to see systems storing the date of a transaction in seconds or milliseconds since this date. So if you see large numbers where you expect to see date and time, you'll need to convert them to make much sense out of the data. In Python, you can get the current time since the epoch using the time module. You can then create a timestamp using the fromTimestamp function on the datetime object. When we print this value out, we see that the year, month, day, and so forth are also printed out. The datetime object has handy attributes to get the representative hour, day, seconds, etc. Datetime objects allow for a simple math using time deltas. For instance, here we can create a time delta of 100 days, then do subtraction and comparisons with the datetime object. This is commonly used in data science for creating sliding windows. For instance, where you might want to look for any 5-day span of time where sales were highest and flag that for follow-up. This is just a little glimpse at dates and times in Python. In week 3 of this course, we're going to investigate dates and times a bit more using the pandas datetime library.